When I'm out bush, it's like the whole world just falls away. I'm Corinne-ooms. I came third in Alone Australia Season 3. I survived 70 days out in the Tasmanian wilderness. Tasmania is one of the last wild places left on Earth. It's got the cleanest air and the purest water. Foraging is actually quite meditative itself because you are looking and being present to what's around you at the time. So this is man fern. This is a native cherry. Its fruit are small and red, very sweet. It's delicious. You have to get it before the birds do. Foraging is a way of life for me. It's like a treasure hunt. It's about connection with what you eat. So I just love making things out of what you can find in nature, especially love woodworking. It's like a piece of driftwood, but no, it's a guitar. Place here in this land, all on my own. Living here has definitely shaped me as a person, not just the nature, but the people in it. Because that's what Tasmania is. It's taking your time, slowing down, exploring things. Just be in nature, just be present.